Confused function is a privilege escalation vulnerability discovered in Google Cloud Platform, that is GCP's Cloud Function Service. This flaw allowed attackers to potentially gain unauthorized access to sensitive data and services within a GCP environment. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The root cause of the vulnerability issue lies in the way GCP handled cloud build service accounts, which were automatically created with excessive permissions when deploying cloud functions. This allowed attackers to exploit these permissions to escalate their privileges and access other GCP services. Google has acknowledged the issue and implemented a fix to prevent the creation of cloud build service accounts with excessive permissions for new cloud functions. However, existing cloud build instances remain vulnerable. As per Tenable, cloud functions in GCP are event triggered, serverless functions. They automatically scale and execute code in response to specific events like HTTP requests or data changes. When a GCP user creates or updates a cloud function, a multi step backend process is triggered. This process, among other things, attaches a default cloud build service account to the cloud build instance, that it is created as part of the function's deployment. This default cloud build service account gives the user excessive permissions. This process happens in the background and isn't something that ordinary users would be aware of. An attacker who gains access to create or update a cloud function can take advantage of the function's deployment process to escalate privileges to the default cloud build service account and other GCP services, including cloud storage and artifact registry or container registry. By exploiting the deployment flow and the flawed trust between services, an attacker could run code as the default cloud build service account. Moving forward, the confused function vulnerability highlights the problematic scenarios that may arise due to software complexity and inter-service communication in a cloud provider's services. Let's look into today's headlines. Zepto considering to relocate headquarters from Mumbai to Bengaluru. Quick commerce app Zepto is planning to relocate its headquarters from Powai in Mumbai to Sarjapur in Bengaluru. This move is aimed to consolidating its operations and expanding its presence in India's tech hub. Currently, Zepto operates with its business functions in Mumbai and its tech and product teams in Bengaluru. The company is planning to bring its 1700 to 1800 employees under one roof with a mandatory relocation for staff by the end of November or early December. iPhone 16 Pro likely to get major battery boost. Apple's much awaited iPhone 16 Pro is expected to receive a major upgrade in battery capacity. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to feature larger batteries compared to their predecessors. While the iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to be packed with a 3577 mAh battery, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is also expected to get a battery capacity bump, though not as significant as the former. CrowdStrike underlines the root cause of global system outages. CrowdStrike has published its root cause analysis detailing the Falcon sensor software update crash that crippled millions of Windows devices globally. The worldwide incident, as originally highlighted, has been traced back to a content validation issue. The issue arose after it introduced a new template type to enable visibility into and detection of novel attack techniques. According to CrowdStrike, the parameter mismatch was not discovered during multiple layers of the testing process. WhatsApp's green verification badge replaced with a blue one. In a major update of its verification system, WhatsApp is replacing the existing green badge with a blue check mark for confirmed businesses and channels. This move is in line with Meta's broader efforts to create a consistent visual identity for verified accounts across its platforms, including Instagram and Facebook. WhatsApp also intends to offer iOS users the same opportunity to experiment with the new check mark as it already does for the Android version. A new multitasking feature is introduced in the ChatGPT Mac OS software version. An update to the ChatGPT Mac OS program makes multitasking more user friendly. The update adds a companion window that may be used in conjunction with other apps. By hitting Option plus space, users can access this tiny window and use ChatGPT while viewing other apps. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.